Hi guys, Attila from the Third Coat. So I just want to give you a very quick tip, and it's probably quite obvious, but just in case you're new to this sort of stuff and you're not thinking about the right options. So when your job involves, like, you're a homeowner and you're doing a bigger renovation that involves more than painting. In this case, it involves replacing carpets. In this apartment, the previous owner was a very heavy smoker, and all the surfaces, the ceilings, walls, everything, the carpets, everything was soaked with the cigarette smell. So they're replacing all the carpets, and obviously we're changing colours. So in order to get a good finish on the skirting boards, to make sure that there's that the old colour is not visible at the bottom of the skirting board after they lay down the new carpet, because this is a fairly thick carpet, very plush, so the new one might be thinner than this. And if I had just painted the skirtings with the old carpet still in place, just kind of masked over the old carpet and painted the skirting, then once this carpet gets removed and replaced, the new one might very well be lower, and the bottom of the skirting would be visible painted in the old colour, right? I mean, in this case, there's not a huge colour change, but even then, it's better to do it this way. So what I recommend you do is what I did here. Just cut a sort of thin strip of the old carpet next to the skirting board, just a few centimetres, to give you a bit of room to paint down, almost to the bottom of the skirting. Now, you don't have to go all the way to the bottom, because there will be a new carpet there, but as far down as convenient. And most of the time you're going to see these, they call this carpet gripper things, which have sort of nails sticking up. So you've got to be mindful of that and be careful when you're sort of fiddling around or sanding or cleaning or whatever. Just be careful of that, because you might hurt your fingers. But otherwise, this is the way to do it. I hope this helps. Have a good day. Bye.